Good afternoon. Today I will be demonstrating how to place items on hold in your PINES account. First, let's go to georgiapines.org. That's gapines.org. In the upper right-hand corner, we'll click My Account. Here you will need to input your library card number or username and your password or PIN. If you're unsure of your PIN, try the last 4 digits of your phone number or call your local library to reset your PIN. Now that we're logged in, let's click Advanced Search in the menu. You can also use the Search For bar here, but Advanced Search will give us more options. In Advanced Search, we can search by keyword, title, or author. For our first search, I'm going to do a title-author search. You can further narrow your search results by choosing from the items below. For this search, I'm going to choose Large Print. You can also change the search library in this menu. I'll leave it as the Griffin-Spalding County Library for now. Great! I see that the library has one large print copy of the book currently available. To request the item, click Place Hold. On this screen, you will need to choose your pickup location, how you would like to be notified by email, phone, or text message, and whether you would like to suspend the hold. Suspending a hold allows you to choose a later date for the hold to become active. Once you've made your selections, click Submit to place the hold. For this next search, I'm going to search by title only since I'm looking for a DVD. I'll uncheck Large Print and check DVD Video. I'll also choose DVD under Video Format. The Griffin-Spalding County Library does not have the item that I'm looking for. It's important to note that when searching for audiovisual materials, you can only request items from within your library region. In this drop-down menu, I'll change my search library to the Flint River Regional Library System and search again. Now I see the title that I'm looking for. I'll place the item on hold by clicking Place Hold. Again, I will choose my pickup location and how I want to be notified when my hold is ready. Let's do one more search. This time I'm going to search by author only to return all the titles by this author. I'm also going to expand my search to all PINES libraries. This time, instead of placing each individual item on hold, I'm going to select each book that I want to place on hold. Each item I select will be added to a basket. Once I finish selecting all the items I want, I can place them on hold all at one time in the basket. I'll click on the basket icon in the menu to see the items that I've added. In addition to placing the items in the basket on hold, I could print the titles, email the titles, or add the items to a list for later. Once I select Place Hold, I'll click Go. Next, I'll choose my pickup location and my notification settings, just like when placing one item on hold. Great! I can see that all of my holds were successfully placed. Back on the home page, I can review the items I've placed on hold. On this page, I can see all the items I've placed on hold, the pickup location, the item status, and my notification method. I can also suspend or cancel holds on this screen. To cancel a hold, select the item and choose Cancel from the drop-down menu. After you click Go, the page will refresh to show that the item has been canceled. When you're finished in your account, click Log Out in the upper right-hand corner. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other tutorials to learn more.